Welcome to Invent ERP, your growth keystone. In today's video, we will show you how to add an accounting journal in Invent ERP. Learn to add an accounting journal to record transactions correctly and keep your financial records organized and accurate. Let's begin. Click on All Apps. Then select Accounting. When you arrive, select Configuration, then Accounting. After that, Journals. In the Journals page, press Add. This is the journal creation page. Begin by adding a journal name, followed by selecting the type. The next step is to fill out the accounting information page. Add a short code. Then choose the currency, followed by selecting the specific bank account you want for this journal entry. And suspense account to hold temporary differences until matched. Choose a profit account and a loss account. Make sure of all the accounting information. When you are finished, press Create. When all the steps are completed, you can view the journal in the Journals page. That's it. You learned how to add an accounting journal in Invent ERP. Thank you for watching.